Africans. Because you should stop these countries. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Kenya should now sound a warning to the United Nations Security Council that Turkey, Qatar, France are arming Somalia, are arming Mr. Faramijo to cause a war in this region. These diplomats should not only run around following the president, please. They should go and shout in this Security Council, write a letter. There is a war coming in here, a proxy war. And that war, anybody who has brain can see it.
Okay.
If you see jet fighters of the latest mechanism being given to Somalia, to do what? Turkey is training secretly 1,000 pilots. Who in Africa has 1,000 pilots? What are they going to do? They're arming to kill us. So we have got to shout.
Are we likely to see Kenya and Somalia sitting down between now and June to come up with, what you'd say is a solution that benefits both countries and ensures our security within the region?
If we remove Faramijo, yes.
That is where the solution lies.
That's one of the solutions. And I want to speak frankly. I am not I told you I'm not a diplomat. I speak frankly.
Yes.
Faramijo is a disgrace to this region. Therefore, the only thing, you remember I have 93 MPs who are my friends in Somalia. And I want to tell you frankly, I am the one who filled their forms for asylum in Britain. They are there in that parliament.
Okay.
If Faramijo does not come to table, the next cause is a vote of no confidence. I need 120.
So you'll be looking for those signatures.
It's not Kenya doing it. We are going to do it.
You'll be looking for those signatures.
No, I don't need signatures. They have already, there's a motion in Parliament challenging Mr. Faramijo.